In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the deck belt on this Craftsman T110 riding mower. It's a very easy job, and I'm going to make it real easy for you. This is Rudy from Take a Bath Productions with another video showing you how to fix various things. If you're a subscribed member to my community, then welcome back. If you're new to this channel, consider clicking that subscribe button below. And please like this video if you found it helpful for you. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right in. Okay, so this is a fairly easy job. The first thing you're going to want to do is remove these spindle guards on both sides. It's just 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and that is a 3/8 bolt. They just come right off, 3 bolts. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side to the other spindle. Be right back. Okay, so once you get your spindle guards off, we have an idler right here next to the spindle. This is the one that pulls back and forth to engage the blade. Now there's a belt guard around the back side here that you might not be able to see very well right there. And it's a little bit too tight to get the belt off from around it, so you have to loosen the spindle up. Very easy. 9/16 on both sides. You have to back up the bottom to get the top loose, but it's an easy part of the job. Okay, just a couple of turns is all you need so that you can move the pulley out of the way, and the belt will slip out from behind there. See that? No problem. All right, get this off, get that off. So we have one more like this on the other side I'm going to loosen up next to the other spindle. That one is a stationary idler. All right, got this pulley loosened up enough to get it past the belt guard right there. Got that out of there. Now the only thing left is the guard that goes around the engine pulley, and that's just 1 bolt, and that comes right loose. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, yours should be a red bracket right here. It's just blocking the belt from coming off the engine, and it's only just 1 bolt right here. This one you'll probably have to take loose all the way to get the bracket out of the way. There we go. Not a big deal, just let that sucker hang right there. Well, it's not going to hang, it's going to fall out. All right, so take it out, and then the belt is off. This mower is a 42-inch mower, if I didn't mention that earlier, and it's made by MTD. The model number is underneath the seat in the back, and I'll post in the description the part number to the belt and a couple of good ideas of where you can get the belt. It's very simple. It's just the same thing, but in reverse. Start with the engine pulley and get the bracket back on. Careful not to over tighten that or you might strip it out. Okay, just weave the belt back around the idler. Remember I left it loose. Around the spindle. Alright, just like that. And I'll put the spindle guard back on and tighten up the idler. And then I'll be back on the other side. So we're kind of doing the same thing over here. Still got the pulley loose, the idler. Whenever you see a pulley that's flat like this, the back side of the belt goes alongside the pulley or on the pulley. And if you see a grooved pulley like this one, then the V part of the belt goes in there. That's self-explanatory, but I just figured I'd mention it. All right, thread that puppy around just like so. And I'll tighten up this pulley real quick. I also wanted to mention something here. This is a good time to check your bearings. You shouldn't have any play. This is not the play of the pulley. This is the whole lever moving. But if you grab your pulley like this and you can feel movement in the bearing, then those bearings are needing to be replaced. Same thing with your spindles. If you grab a hold of the blade and shake the blade back and forth, you shouldn't feel any play. It should be pretty rock solid tight, up and down, movement. Then it's time to replace those spindles too. Now I'm just going to go ahead and engage the belt, like so. Looks like everything's tightened up pretty well. All right, that shouldn't be any problem. I'm just gonna put the belt guard back on, and we're done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.